Looks simple, right? But see what the difference is. This point is here, whereas this line is here. So you'll observe that this point goes ahead and this one is a little behind. We all are used to making this kind of S most commonly. Okay, in this case you will observe that this point is here and this point is here. Now this one is very easy to make because it is in the straight line. So obviously this one is a straight form of writing. But for the people going to follow cursive, a slant form, for them it is a bit tricky one. So how do you go about it? When you make this slant line and you make a knot, okay, so in this case when you're taking a turn here, don't go too much ahead. Don't go too much ahead. Here itself take a turn. Here itself take a turn and pull the tail out. So in this case you will get this point ahead and this one behind. In this case, if you're coming too much behind, you will again land up with the straight S. So can you see the difference? I've made both the curves here. Slant one. Okay, so we'll try to make a slant line, and because it's further and behind, this will give a slant look. There is no connectivity, so this kind of S has to be avoided. Big curve on the top and small one down, so this has to be avoided. Make a curve point here. This is very rare, but it is being done. So this kind of S also has to be avoided because this is generally mistaken by considering this as R.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!